LoLoLearning. Unique learning for unique kids.
Hi, friends! Welcome to Lolo's Kitchen. I'm Chef Lili, and today we're making the easiest, yummiest treat ever. 4-ingredient chocolate chip cookies. Yep, just 4 ingredients. This recipe is perfect for when you really want cookies, but don't want to make a big mess. Are you ready? Let's get baking! The very first thing we need to do is look at our recipe. Now, let's see just what we need for Chef Lili's 4-ingredient chocolate chip fun cookies. First, we need creamy peanut butter. The second thing we need is sugar. The third thing we need are 2 large eggs. And the last ingredient we need are chocolate chips. That's it! Can you believe it? 4 simple things, and soon we'll have delicious cookies. Now, get a bowl to put everything in, a spoon to mix with, and a pan to cook our cookies on. First, scoop your peanut butter into a big bowl. Here's a great pro kid tip. If your peanut butter is too sticky, you can microwave it for a few seconds to make it easier to stir. Next, add your sugar. Dump it right in. No measuring tricks here. Just pour it in the bowl. Wow, this is sure looking yummy, don't you think? I can't wait. Then crack in your eggs. Make sure there are no shells. Now, take your time and stir everything together, nice and slow, until it's smooth and shiny like cookie dough magic. Now, for the fun part. Chocolate chips. Pour them in and gently mix them into the dough. Try not to eat all the chocolate before it makes it into the cookies. But if 1 or 2 chips sneak into your mouth, I won't tell. Now, take a spoon or your hands, if you don't mind getting a little sticky, and make small dough balls. Place them on a baking tray. Remember, leave some space between them because these cookies like to spread out. Perfect! Now it's time to bake. Set your oven to 350 degrees and let these yummies bake for about 10 minutes. While we wait, let's clean up and maybe do a little happy cookie dance. Ta-da! Look at these golden, beautiful cookies. They smell amazing. Let's let them cool for just a few minutes. That is, if we can wait that long. Oh, wow! These are so soft, chewy, and packed with chocolatey goodness. Did you try one yet? They are so good! And just think, we made them with only 4 ingredients. Can you believe it? High five, friends! We're cookie masters! Thanks for baking with me today! Don't forget to share your cookies with someone you love, or eat them all yourself. I won't judge. If you had fun with me today, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy, yummy recipes. See you next time in Lolo's Kitchen with me, Chef Lili. Bye!
Thank you for watching. And always remember, you are loved, you are unique, you are you.